I'm Wolf Design Company. We build full vehicles to just lowering and lifting trucks. We also own Crown Suspension, where we manufacture a full line of lift kits and lowering kits. Today we brought in this K5 Blazer that had a 10-year-old AccuAir system in it. We swapped it out, put the new ECU in it. Pulled out the old ECU. With the new ECU, it's actually plug and play, so you don't need to rewire the truck. It literally just plugs right in and starts functioning. With the new controller, same USB, so all you got to do is disconnect it and reconnect the brand new one. And it's got that new feature on it with the compressor indicator. You don't need to upgrade both of them necessarily at the same time. You can upgrade the control pad and still keep your old ECU, or you can upgrade the ECU and still keep your old controller. I've been using AccuAir for years on my own personal vehicles and customer vehicles. Simple, it's got 1, 2, 3. You get in, you press a button, and you're good to go.